Tired of manually sending documents one by one? In this video, we will reveal how to send PDFs automatically through WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect and Aisensy. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account and create a new workflow. Name it something descriptive like Send PDF via Aisensy. Now, set up Aisensy as your trigger app. Choose the trigger event that best suits your needs. For example, new chat or new contact. Follow the instructions provided by Pabbly Connect to connect your Aisensy account. This usually involves copying and pasting an API key or webhook URL. Next, select your document storage app, like Google Drive or Dropbox. As the first action app, choose Retrieve File. As the action event, connect your Google Drive or Dropbox account. Select the PDF file you want to send via WhatsApp from your drive by either entering its name or mapping it dynamically using the data received from the Aisensy trigger. Add another action app and select Aisensy. Choose Send WhatsApp Message as the action event. Connect your Aisensy account again if needed. In the message template section, find the File Upload option. Map the PDF file URL, which you retrieved from Google Drive or Dropbox, to the file URL field. Also, map the recipient's WhatsApp number from the Aisensy trigger data to the recipient mobile number field. Before activating the workflow, test it to ensure everything is working correctly. Click the test button and follow the instructions. Check your WhatsApp to see if the PDF file was sent successfully. If everything looks good, activate your workflow. Now, every time the trigger event occurs in Aisensy, Pabbly Connect will automatically send the PDF file via WhatsApp. Start automating your document sharing today.